putting a new cable on the car for the hood and the latch, you know, and you know you got this cable, but when you cut it, you know, and you try to put this through, you know, what you call it, a casing or whatever, it always goes frays the edges, and well, you can never get it through, right? So this is what I do. It's here. Okay, yeah. All right, so what you do, you put it in your drill after you measure off whatever you need. And can you see that? You just eat up where you want to cut it, right? And you just go like that. Perfect little, and it will never fray. I forget who showed me that, but it is a very nice trick. There you go. Take it easy, guys.